All right, here we go. We're getting a birdhouse ready to go. Super exciting day. Another project for All About Kids. We're building a birdhouse. And we just drilled a super awesome hole in this thingy.
What?
Yeah, but this thing got stuck in there. Look at, oh man. Now our thing is in there. We almost forgot to show them how to build a birdhouse, huh? That's what we're doing today, huh, Coz? It's pretty awesome. Yeah? I know you always like to see the back of the camera, but the kids have to see the front so that they know what we're doing today. All right, kids, yeah, we did this. We were like, watch out, Cruz. All right, so we got that going. Do you want to try to hold the camera for me, Cruz?
Yeah.
Think you can video for us?
Yeah.
Okay, don't put your hand over here. There you go. Got it. All right, hey, kids. Okay, you got it? So
Yeah.
we gotta unplug it first so that I can work on this part. Okay.
Watch this, Cruz.
All right, Cruz, you just keep the camera where they can see it, okay, buddy? You don't need to zoom or anything. Cruz was videoing yesterday, and all we saw was the sky. That was funny, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, too close because they can't see when you're
That
that
way,
close.
hey, this is away.
Okay, we'll back up a little bit so they can see, please. There we go. All right, so this is how we figured out we got to take this off. And then back up so they can see. And we'll keep drilling, okay? You got it? You got it?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to drill this hole now, kids.
Got it ready.
I don't know if that...
What?
I'm wondering if... We should maybe ask Mom before we drill that gigantic hole. I wonder if that's going to be a big enough hole, Bubba. We need to cut the top of that.
Cut the top of this?
Yeah, but what we were going to do is drill a hole right here for them to sit on.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do that, huh?
I could do that, though.
Okay, well, you got to stay focused with the camera, otherwise the kids can't see what we're doing, little guy. Okay? Silly gooser. If you're doing this the whole time, then the kids are like, what in the world is going on? So, this is our project. This is our stuff. This is our little sweet pea. This is Cruiser Man. And we'll drill another hole in a minute and show you guys what's going on. All right, birdhouse, take one. Take two, birdhouse build. We got to use the router because our hole saw wasn't big enough. Eye protection, ear protection, power, router. Ready? Ready, kids? Here we go. It fell in there. That's gonna be a nice one. I bet you a big bird can fit in there. I think that's what was left from our hole saw when we did our hole saw first. That's pretty cool. And all the other little pieces are in there too. Alright, we're gonna
try this out.
Alright, yeah, see? Birdhouse build. Doing pretty good. Oh yeah. This is a secret entrance Cruz likes.
Dump it out.
It used to be an old message box where we put it in. Oh, dump it out?
Yes.
Yeah, anyways. Alright, we're going to cut our roof and stuff. So we will update you in a second, kids. We're going to keep building. Alright, kids. Now we're going to mark our center point here for our birds to hang out on. Let's do right about here. There we go. And then after we get this drilled, we got to drill this hole.
My hat is all dirty. Hattie hat.
Oh, Cruz's hat got dirty from sawing. That's awesome. Okay, we're going to drill this hole right here. Alright, and then Cruz is going to help me. Oh, yeah, good job blowing that stuff off.
We don't want that stuff.
Cruz needs his hammer. Here's your cool peg that you're going to put in there. Let's see, this is going to be for the birds to hang out on. Does the other side fit? Try the other side.
Nope.
Ooh, maybe? Try to hammer it a little bit, not too hard. There it is. Oh, it's going, kids. It's going in there.
Oh, yeah.
It's going in there. Alright, let's see. Oh, yeah, that's looking cool, Cruz. Whoa, that's a little long. They got like a perch out there. It's like Pinocchio's nose. Ooh, that's funny. See, building projects is pretty cool because you never know what. Sometimes you just keep building, and sometimes you have to figure it out as you go, huh? Pretty awesome. All right, there we go. We got our perch going. Next, we're gonna cut our roof, and
there goes Ross.
yeah. Next, we're gonna cut our roof. Here we go.
Bye.
All right, here we go. We got to measure this for the birdhouse roof. Building birdhouse roof is super awesome. We're measuring this stuff for birdhouse roof. On Coz. Ooh, look at that. That is good. All right, Cruz, will you hold this side for me? Hold it right there. Got it. Perfect. Okay, ready, Coz? Okay, will you hold this side for Daddy? Uh-oh, wait, I guess Daddy's not as ready as he thought. Here we go. Ready? There we go. Oh, it's not straight. Okay, hold that side for me now, Coz. Alright. Birdhouse roof. Here we go. Okay, back up, Coz, because Daddy's gonna cut it. You ready? Here it goes. You ready, Cruz? Yeah. Some sparks a little bit. Super loud. Okay. Go over there with Bubba real quick, Coz. Birdhouse roof. Here we go. Alright, I got this. If you want to go over there, Bridget, you can. That way you can see it better. Go down over there. Thank you. Here we go. Here we go. Birdhouse roof. Woo! Birdhouse roof. Alright, let's go. You want to go figure out how to put it on?
I can feel that.
Okay, it's hot and sharp. Alright, here we go. You can bring your stuff if you want.
I'm just away from here.
We gotta get it all prepped, Bridget, before we put it on, so might have to show the kids the final. Oh, you want to work on it out here? You want to go get the birdhouse?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to help, Coz? Okay, come on. Let's go get it. We gotta get screws out and everything. Here we go. Cruz is gonna drill some holes for the roof. Ready, Cruz?
Yes.
All right, go. You know how to do it. Stand up and do it. Stand up. There you go. Go. Whoa, whoa. Is that crazy? Okay, go.
We're always fine.
Okay, now we need 4 of your little screws. You got 4 of your little screws?
Here's one.
Cozy, you need to help us? Come here, help us. You're a pretty good helper. So we decided.
I didn't tell you when to stop. Another one. Still got 2 left.
Yeah, Cozy's getting her car.
Start the video.
Another one?
One more. Stop.
lost that one.
Did the same thing.
It's gonna be a little bit in one spot. I don't know if it's gonna work.
No. Yep, it did.
Got a bite that time, huh? Okay,
Roof's on.
free stuff. We made a birdhouse. Now we need to attach our hanger to the back, and we'll get it hung up, huh? That'd be cool. How high you want to hang it?
This
Super
me.
high? Big as you? Okay.
Put the butt seat in.
All right, we got to get the
I know.
hanger on, and then we'll show you guys some more stuff coming up. Got these. We had to drill this real quick for the pilot holes, kids, and then we have to attach it to the birdhouse here. But we also cut this piece of elm from our yard so that we didn't have to use board. It's all natural. This is all from stuff we found. Didn't cost us anything, huh? Yeah, it didn't cost us anything, kids. $3.03. That's how we like it on Sun. Okay, got this. Got this.
Got that one in. That one is saying, Mom. Hey, hey. Only two shinies? You only bring two shinies? What? Shop. Super shop. Potato shop. Potato shop. What is that?
Alright, we got it.
I feel this.
Okay, should we go put it on the thing?
Yeah.
We gotta go to the other side, but we can show these guys how it's gonna look. Ready? Okay. So now we have to go over the fence, but we'll show you where we're gonna attach it. So it looks cool, kids. Right there like that, the world's largest birdhouse. Is that pretty cool? Alright. We gotta go around and get it drilled. We'll be all set. Okay, we finished. Woo! That's how you make a birdhouse, huh? So we made a birdhouse out of a comment box that we found in the trash, and we used all free parts. Didn't cost us anything. Everything we found in the trash or the stick that we had from the tree that fell down this year, huh? So we did good. We even made a little holder, and we'll keep you guys updated if birds start living in it, and we'll let you know when, huh? You want to tell them bye?
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Keep watching our adventures. Bye, friends. Thanks for